Would you like to build your own Answer the Public search engine? Now in this video, I'm exploring the idea of whether you can build a great search engine optimization research tool that works in a way similar to Answer the Public. Now, if you don't know what Answer the Public is, it's a website where you can come along and it suggests that you have short key phrases. You type them in, you hit search. Now you have the option of deciding which Google search engine you would like to use. Is it for America, Great Britain, Australia, etc.? And what happens is it'll come back with a list of keywords that might be very useful for, say, blog articles, the titles, stuff like that. So you can see here our keyword was personal trainer, and it's given ideas around who, when, how, can, why, etc. Now, the way it works is that it has different categories, and here we're looking at the questions area. And if we look at can, and it's got the suggestion, can a personal trainer teach group classes? Or can a personal trainer give nutritional advice? Now the way it's working under the hood, I believe, is that it's following the Google suggestion tool. So if I go into Google and I type, can a personal trainer? The second item on the list is teach group fitness class, which is exactly what we saw highlighted here. Now, they have additional search areas. They have propositions. How, in this case, personal trainer with a bachelor degree and salary, or with a private gym. So these are different terms that you might want to use in search engine optimization, creating titles for your articles. If we move on, there's comparisons. So here are the or comparisons: personal trainer or not, or coach, or CrossFit. They also have additionally a list of alphabetical. So what would happen if you typed in personal trainer A, personal trainer B, etc. So what I want to do is create a quick little tool that we'll call it search, and it produces a graph. And the idea of the tool is that it's a natural language engine. You'll just type in a search term, something like personal trainer. You'll define your search location, so you want the Australian search engine of Google. And when you press save on the file, it'll do the search and write out a graph, and the style might be Answer the Public. Now, there are issues that need to be addressed when talking to Google in different countries. If I wanted to search within America, Los Angeles, I really need to use a virtual private network to make Google think that I'm in America. Otherwise, it will only return Australian web results no matter what I do. So there's a little bit of technical challenges to making this particular project work. But from a graphing point of view, I should be able to use something like NetJSON graph. I found this little Popato graph, which has interesting concepts going on within it in expansion, stuff like that. Or just a regular D3 JavaScript library. It has this nice hierarchical graph, which also has the ability to show relationships between different concepts. So this is the idea to emulate what Answer the Public does using a natural text engine.